I began at UofL as a freshman. I've always been a die-hard Cards fan, born and raised in Louisville. So UofL was kind of the natural option. I got a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering.
Today I'm the acting chair of Civil and Environmental Engineering Department, but it took me a long way to be in today's position.
While I was finishing my bachelor's degree at UofL, I just knew that I wasn't quite done learning yet. So I decided to join the engineering management program online last year. And so I have 3 classes left, and I am currently working as an engineer at a chemical company in Louisville.
The Master of Science online degree has a history about 15-20 years, and this is one of the oldest master online programs in the United States. As a female, it's not an easy job because people view you differently.
As a kid, I always liked math and science, but I never really knew what I wanted to do with it. Honestly, didn't really know what an engineer was until my junior year of high school, in which case my dad took me to the plant that he worked at, and I was able to work alongside one of the female engineers there. And I think part of that was him trying to show me that there were no limitations on who I was or what I could be based on my gender.
After my master's, I went to a construction company, and they put me in the office instead of the job site, which kind of limit my chances to know more about the real life of civil engineers. So I continue to apply to a PhD program in the United States. When I first came to UofL and I taught the construction materials class, and we had 33 students in the class, I remember very clearly we only had 1 girl student in the class. But now we typically have 7 or 8.
Having a mentor, just somebody that you can look up to who also has been there, is really important, and I try to be that to people, and I also try to find one. And every day, you know, there's a different person it might be, but I think as a female engineer, having somebody that you can go to who you can relate to is really important.
Girls, they have early access to this engineering discipline, and I think that's why we have more or better female populations in this area.
I really hope that I'm already inspiring people to be engineers. Especially women, I think, feel limited to have that management role, but I think that it's just important that we have women at the table. So I just hope that maybe one day I'm also an engineering manager and I start to work with young engineers, and I can kind of move them through the paths of engineering management and maybe even lead them to the program that kind of gave me my inspiration.